1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
Shh. It's Suspicious Minute.
Hey guys!
Pabebe na
Welcome to
naman.
another episode of
Suspicious Minute. Di pa pala ako nag-shave.
So, for today, meron kaming question na magpapayanig sa iyo.
Magpapayanig sa inyong
Papayanig sa
bahay.
kabilang panig.
May mga violent reaction agad eh.
Mga manggagala-eating muscles sa gilid.
Disclaimer, merong mga violent reactions sa kabilang side of the room.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
huwag na lang siya pansin.
So, pansinin kung may kumakalabog dyan.
True.
So, nag-ask kami ng question sa Instagram and sobrang dami naming na-receive na mga violent reactions,
Mga comments.
mga comments. And the question we asked is, what does it mean to be a real man?
Ooh, ano nga ba?
So, if you're a real man, and to all of the real men out there, please
Listen up.
listen to this podcast
Hindi,
episode.
for-
Dapat nga hindi real man eh, para marinig nila.
Sa lahat ng mga gago dyan, makinig kayo.
Yan,
This
tama
is
yan.
for you guys. So, the first anonymous message. To be a real man means they have self-discipline. They literally know the right from wrong. Also, they have goals, and at the same time, they find ways to achieve those goals. They should also have a good mindset that they apply to themselves and should not be easily influenced by their friends.
True.
Alam, parang hindi ko alam kung may madadagdag pa ako dun. Parang
Actually,
naano
Parang
niya na lahat.
kompleto
ng
na lahat.
facts eh.
Actually,
Oo.
actually.
Parang point by point in-explain niya na rin. Pero totoo yun.
Alam, wala tayong ambag, babe. Binasa lang natin.
Pero totoo yun. I mean, sabi nga nila, kailangan you're a man of your own words.
Yeah.
You're a man of honor.
Man of honor.
Man of the hour.
At the lonely hour.
Man of man.
Actually, kapag kunwari heavily influenced ka ng friends mo, madaling madrag kung ano yung trip nila eh.
Oo.
Parang kahit ayaw mo, mapapressure ka to do it.
Yeah. Tsaka meron kasing guys na nagbabago kapag kakasama yung friends.
Totoo.
Kapag kayo dalawa lang.
I can attest
Iba.
to that.
Diba?
Iba yung personality nila kapag sa girls tapos sa tropa nila.
Yeah. Nag-iibang anyo sila.
Totoo.
Parang minsan napapa what the fuck ako kasi alam naman nila yung tama sa mali.
Totoo.
Or they
Diba?
still end up doing
Oo,
yung
parang
wrong.
hindi ko ma-justify sa mind ko na why would you do that? Eh, alam mo namang
Mali.
mali in the first place.
Ay, eto pinakamalupit na
Ano?
excuses.
Lasing ako.
Hindi ko sinabi sa'yo kasi,
Kasi
baka
Magagalit ka.
Number 1 yan.
Well, the excuses are so lame. Like, halatang hindi nila pinag-isipan ng mabuti.
Oo, alam mo, may ma-excuse lang talaga.
Okay, next. A real man in a relationship listens to his partner, values mutual respect, and works towards building a partnership based on trust and understanding.
Well,
yan.
Yan na lang.
Oo, yan.
Hindi, sabi nga nila, di ba? Parang ang relationship daw talaga is partnership naman talaga. I mean, hindi naman palaging love lang. Kailangan you guys work together talaga.
and in a
Iintindi
general
ka
sense,
din.
I feel like yun talaga yung relationship eh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give and take.
Give and
Basically.
take.
Oo.
So, if ayaw kayong tulungan ng partner nyo,
Hindi yan.
run!
Alam mo, importante talaga to yung makikinig ka sa partner mo.
Totoo.
Minsan kahit ang hirap
Intindihin.
kailangan mo siyang intindihin.
Yeah.
Guys, kahit nga hindi ko ka-partner, kailangan ko din siya intindihin. Heavy on that.
So next one is, it also means taking responsibility for both your actions and the dynamic of the relationship. Ay, di mo kaya, pa-dynamic. As well as being committed to personal growth and being a positive influence on your partner. Essentially, it's about being a partner who contributes equally, listens deeply, wait lang, wala tuloy ako. Listens deeply and strives to create a loving, naputol.
Masyado siyang maraming
Masyadong
sinabi, hindi
mahaba.
nakasya.
Yeah, pero
Wala may sinabi mo.
Pero totoo yan.
Pero totoo yan kasi essentially,
essentially, alam mo, big factor din yung being accountable for your actions eh.
Yan yung wala yung mga most guys. Wala silang accountability kasi mataas yung ego nila.
Yeah. Hindi nila matanggap na
Mali
magkakamali sila, ganyan. Or mali yung ginawa nila.
And they
Pero
say
again-
it's not directly their fault.
Yeah. Laging may excuse eh.
Laging kasi, ito ganyan.
Oh.
Pero again, communication is key.
Yes.
So, if ikaw yung nakakaintindi dun sa sitwasyon, ikaw na lang mag-explain dun sa partner mo. Para mas maintindihan niya din.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero minsan mahirap ipaintindi, no?
Lalo na pag ayaw niyang intindihin. Yun ang pinakamalala.
Yun talaga yung nakakabaliw minsan
Totoo.
eh.
Someone who takes heavy on this initiatives, all caps, hindi yung tinuturuan pa. Can take criticism at hindi umiiyak pag tinatama.
Oh, shit.
All caps. And someone na know he's a real man. A man who share his feelings and don't take it as quote-unquote kabadingan. Oh, ba't sa akin napunta to? Parang pinersonal ako dito sa numbering na to.
Uy, pero alam mo na dali niya lahat ng
Actually, parang
Totoo.
on point lahat.
sobrang on
May
point pa
pinagdadaanan
sinabi
ka ba?
Totoo. Like, naka-caps lock ka pa, ha? In fairness sa'yo. Pero, gusto ko rin yung, kahit hindi romantically dun sa relationship, parang maganda pa rin talaga na may initiative ka.
Yeah.
Lalo na
Yeah.
yung hindi mo na kailangan na, mahirap kasi yung laging, sabihin mo kasi, parang minsan gusto mo din ng parang may kusa eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Parang hindi
Hindi yung kailangan mo pang sabihin bago
Initiative
gawin.
talaga.
Parang they just know who you are, kaya gagawin nila yun for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Being a real man means having decent respect for women.
Siyempre,
Feeling ko
number
yun yung
one.
basic.
Yeah, number one naman yan dapat talaga.
Kasi kung hindi ka niya marespeto, wala. It's a lost cause.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Wow, it's a lost cause.
Kaya.
Paano yung mga yung mga man na nire-respect yung woman friends, pero yung woman sa life
Hindi ako naniniwala sa girl best friend.
Really? Why?
Yung iba kasi, parang, I know na sila yung nauna sa life mo. Di ba minsan ganun? Parang dadating ka lang in the middle of them being like
Friends
tagal ng
na.
friends. Pero, minsan kasi yung mga girl best friends, wala silang boundaries.
Yeah.
Na, dapat kapag ka may significant other na yung best friend mo, dapat mag-put ka na ng line.
Yeah.
Kasi minsan, hindi mo napapansin, nako-cross mo na yung line. Tapos, syempre, ano na mafe-feel nung partner.
Girlfriend. Yeah.
Yeah.
Basta hindi ako naniniwala talaga sa girl best friend.
Being a real man means acknowledging your emotions, learning how to cope with them without having to hurt others.
Tama yun.
Feeling ko hindi lang naman to sa real man, to be honest. Parang
In general
siya, boy, girl, bakla, tomboy. Dapat ganito. Butiki baboy. Dapat ganito talaga.
Yeah.
Parang ito yung kailangan ng isang tao. Hindi lang ng isang lalaki.
Pero kasi yan nga yung mahirap makita sa isang lalaki, di ba? Parang hirap sila ilabas yung emotions nila.
Yeah.
Ewan ko, for me, feeling ko, kapag pinapakita ng mga guys yung vulnerable side nila, parang bumababa yung ego nila every time na, kunyari, iiyak sila, feeling nila, ay, hindi na ako
Uy,
lalaki
ako.
kasi.
Hindi
Ano,
nakakalalaki.
Totoo.
Eh, hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag naging vulnerable ka, hindi ka na lalaki.
Totoo.
Hindi ba pwedeng dibdibin mo din yung mga pinagdadaanan mo? Eh, tao ka din naman. Diba?
Ako, being a 50-50,
Di.
naiintindihan ko yung hindi sila ma-open about their
Feelings.
feelings, emotions. Kasi ganun din naman ako eh. It's just that other people say na I can do it, I can tackle it on my own eh. So I don't have to like say it na.
Yeah.
Like not all the time kailangan kong sabihin na parang ito yung nararamdaman ko.
Pero thing is kasi sis, sa babae, alam namin kahit hindi mo sabihin.
Oo.
Yeah.
So kung meron kang
You
kung
just
meron
want
nafe-feel,
that person to open up with you no matter what.
Oo.
Yeah. Pero there are things din na parang, hindi, kaya ko na to, but kailangan ko pang pag-usapan.
yeah.
Generally, that's just men in general.
Most of guys.
Kapag problemado yung isang lalaki, hindi naman nila sasabing problemado sila.
Yeah.
Kaya sasama sila sa mga tao na parang magpapalighten up ng mood nila. Ganun lang palagi.
A real man doesn't run to other females when they feel pressure from their partners.
Oh, shit.
Can you elaborate?
That's cheating.
Oo nga, that's
Actually.
cheating na.
Feeling ko kasi may guys na, alam mo yung pag nahihirapan sila sa relationship nila, aayaw sila.
Or maghanap ng other comfort.
Oo.
So, umahanap siya ng ibang babae na maiintindihan yung side niya.
Oo.
Basically, parang ganun.
Ba't kailangan sa ibang babae?
That's the question. Bakit
Siguro, siguro kunwari nag-away kayo. Tapos di kayo nagkaintindihan. Hindi mo na-gets yung point niya, hindi niya rin na-gets yung point mo. So, hanap siya ng ibang babae na ipapagets niya yung point niya.
Yung makakapa...
Para lang makuha niya yung...
justify nung side niya.
Yun. May magka-comment daw. Kailangan mo lumapit kasi
Comment lang to.
hindi ba?
Oh guys, may magsa-side comment daw. Anonymous na lang din.
For me, what defines a real man is being family-oriented and
Tama ka dyan.
caring for his own family. Like, yung future family na gagawin niya or yung present family niya na yung mother and brother sisters niya. For me, kapag sobrang na take care niya lahat ng mga needs and wants ng mga malalapit sa kanya sa buhay. You made your daddy proud, son.
Yung dulo lang
Mic drop.
Totoo yun, parang a real man who knows how to care and love for their own family, madali na lang yun i-spread sa relationship.
Yeah.
Siguro priority talaga.
True. I love that for the anonymous person.
Yeah.
That is so... Totoo. Kasi kapag mahal mo yung family mo, mahal mo yung magiging future family mo
Totoo.
Di ba?
Pag family-oriented ka, madadala mo din talaga siya.
And so that's it for the Suspicious Minute. Sana yung mga guys out there, pakinggan nyo to at it serves you a good lesson.
Don't get us wrong, ha? This is not an attack.
Yes.
But if you ponder on it, maisip mo, pwede nga, no?
So this has been Tiff.
Nadia.
Aliana?
And Marcos.
And this is...
Shh. Suspicious Minute. See you guys in the next episode.